Good morning. So the other day I gave you guys the Skittles, and I also gave you a recording sheet, and you were supposed to make a hypothesis about what would happen when you added water to the Skittles and everything. And that's kind of a process, and it's a typical process when you're doing experiments. So today we're going to make another hypothesis, and I'm not going to write it down. We're just going to talk us through it as we go. I have 2 lemons, and I have 2 glasses of water. I'm going to peel one of the lemons. They're about the same size. I'm going to peel one of the lemons. Let me get a paper towel. And I want you guys to be thinking about this. So I want you to hypothesize which lemon will float and which lemon will sink. Will the lemon that is peeled without its skin sink in the water, or will the one with the skin sink? I don't have a little scale. I wish I did, because then we could weigh them, because maybe that would make a difference, like if one weighed more than the other one. Okay, I have one peeled one and one not peeled one. Now they're not the same size. The peeled one is much smaller. And I have a tape measure. You could even see the peeled one is about 7 1/4 inches around, and the peeled one, or the one with the peel, is 7 1/4 inches. The one without the peel is 6 1/2 inches. So it's much smaller. So my question is, and this is going to be your hypothesis, my question is, will one sink and one float? And if they do, which one will be the sinker and which one will be the floater? Now, my hypothesis is the smaller lemon will float because it weighs less. That's my thinking process. That's my hypothesis. I hypothesize that that's what will happen, that when I put them both in water, the one that weighs less and is smaller will float, and the one that has the peel on it is heavier and it will sink. So I'm going to give you just a second, and I want you to think about it really carefully in your mind, and you decide what you think is going to happen. You can even write it down if you want to. You don't have to, but you can be thinking about it. And then I'm going to put them both in the water, and we're going to see what happens. I'll give you a little time to think. I'll play some music. Do 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 do. I'm joking. That's from that TV show Jeopardy. Okay, here we go. 2 lemons, peeled, unpeeled. My guess is this peeled one is going to float, and I told you my reasons. And this one is heavier and bigger, so I think it will sink. Here we go. Well, they both kind of, uh-oh, hold on. Can you see what's happening? I'm not sure. I think there might be like a glare and you can't see. But look closely where my lemon is. The one without the peel is at the bottom of the glass. The one with the peel is at the top. The peel floated. I'm shocked. I never thought that's what would happen. I thought for sure the heavier, bigger lemon would sink. But apparently, lemon peel acts like a life jacket, and it must have some air in the peel, and so it kind of buoys it up in the water and makes it sit up. So if you have something that you're wondering about at home, try it out. You can see what else might sink or might float. I bet the same thing would happen with a lime or an orange or one of those little cutie oranges. Makes me wonder, makes me want to try more stuff. The reason why I thought about that is because Miss Costa told me that a can of Coke, regular Coke, will sink, and a can of Diet Coke that has Diet Coke in it will float. And so I thought, I wonder what, I didn't try that one because I don't have those things, but I did have lemons, so I tried something else. So just investigate the world around you and see what you can come up with. Have a good day.